All right, like, thanks to the channel today. If you haven't done it, please hit that like and subscribe. We as of last night about 9 o'clock, you saw the last video, had an F-350 Platinum 22 model delivered to the house from Beckham Aston out of Houston. Traded the GMC in, and so I started putting the leveling kit on probably about 9:30, 10 o'clock last night. I think I finished it up about 11. So I put the 2.5 inch ready lift, the full coil suspension, and just the shock extensions on it. It probably, like I said, it was very easy to put on, wasn't a big deal. Got that done. I'm actually headed to Outlaw Off-Road here in Victoria, Texas this morning, and they're going to mount up my tires. I don't know, you probably can't see them. 37 1350 Nitto Mud Grapplers. We're going to put them on the stock wheels. And so headed there now. When I get to that parking lot, I'll get out because we always do fender measurements. I'm going to do the fender measurements before we put the tires on, just so y'all can see the difference from front to back on a 2.5 ready lift kit. Because that was one of the things I always wondered, how much do you have? Because I always like a little bit of rake. So I think it looks pretty level to me, but we'll find out when we get a tape on it. So if it's not, I'll probably add just maybe 1/2 inch to the back or something to get that rake up a little bit. So anyway, when we get there, I will get out and measure this. All right, guys, so we're out here at Outlaw Off-Road this morning. As promised, I'm going to get you all those measurements on the fender heights with the 2.5 full ready coil. If you want to take a look at that, that's what it looks like. Just the full coil replacement, and it's got a track bar bracket that you replace, and some sway bar drops down there. You see those sway bar drops? Not a lot to it. I'm going to look at the front fender first, so I remember to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Front fender is about 43 1/4. And the back fender is about 42 1/2. About 42 1/2 and 42 3/4, somewhere in there. So we're probably about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rake. But I also have 4 pretty heavy tires in the back, which isn't much, but I guess that's about close to 350 pounds. So anyway, we're gonna get these mounted up, and then we'll get back to the video and show you what they look like on the truck after we get it on, and we'll see how they rub. All right, so we got the tires and wheels on, 37 1350 20 Nitto Mud Grapplers. Doesn't seem like we're rubbing the sway bar at all. We are rubbing the radius arms. I got some Carleys in the shop that'll help with that. Overall, happy with how it came out. It's almost perfectly level. It's a little bit low in the back, so might need a little bit of a block in the back to bring it up, give it a little bit of rake. But overall, happy with the way it came out. So thanks for watching the video. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.